Hi, this is Dr. Todd Rowe presenting tips on using the homeopathic medicine Hamamelis virginiana. Nothing in this material is meant to diagnose, cure, prescribe, or treat any illness. Please consult your homeopathic practitioner for treatment options. Hamamelis is a well-known plant. The remedy is derived from its root, also known as witch-hazel. It's been used historically, herbally, as well as in conventional medicine for the treatment of hemorrhoids. It is a shrub that's indigenous to the United States and has fragrant flowers that are dull yellow in color, and the wood is very hard. In homeopathy, we also use this remedy for hemorrhoids acutely, also for bruising, injuries, nosebleeds, epistaxis, and phlebitis. Some of the keys in using this remedy is that it has a strong focus on hemorrhage, and this is a passive hemorrhage, kind of a seeping blood. Also particularly a focus on the veins of the body, and the veins can become quite distended, so it's useful not only for hemorrhoids but also varices and varicoceles. The pains with this remedy typically are pressing in nature, and the emotional tone or nature of the person who needs this remedy is often somewhat irritable, and problems can come on from suppressing anger. General characteristics of this remedy include injuries, worse from pressure, also from jarring, like going over a speed bump, from motion, at night, and with touch. And typically they're better during the day and with rest. There's a feeling of bruised soreness all over the body, as well as these pressing pains. It's a good remedy to consider for the aftermath or long-term effects of injuries. Also, they can develop upper respiratory infections on exposure to warm, moist weather, to which they're sensitive. They also tend to feel quite weak with the blood loss. It's not one of the main remedies, but you can use this for first-degree burns. Typically, there is a fair amount of thirstiness with this remedy and a sensation of painful fullness. This fullness can be felt in the head, a sensation of pressure in the forehead. It's also a wonderful remedy for black eyes. You can use it for conjunctivitis or iritis and congestion in the eyes. It's one of our main remedies for nosebleeds, particularly long-lasting nosebleeds, and also vicarious nosebleeds, where women have nosebleeds instead of their menses. There can be a lot of bleeding from the gums, and the tongue may feel burnt. There's also vomiting up of blood from the stomach and heaviness in the stomach. As I mentioned, one of our main remedies for hemorrhoids of all kinds, typically with oozing passive dark blood. Also for infections of the male organs like epididymitis. Also use it for orchitis and hematocele. It's a very useful remedy for varicose veins for women in pregnancy. Also for excessive uterine bleeding. The blood tends to be dark, and it can be used for yeast infections with leukorrhea. Also, there can be a tendency towards prolapse of the uterus. It's a big remedy for cough, particularly coughing up blood. There can be bloody urine, and in the legs and arms there can be varices, and again useful for phlebitis or varicose ulcers. There is an easy tendency towards bruising, also a tendency to form boils and abscesses. You can compare this remedy to Aesculus hippocastanum, or horse chestnut, Collinsonia, Calendula officinalis or marsh marigold, Origeron, or millefolium, wild yarrow. You can order this remedy at orders@amchof.org. If you'd like to know more about acute care and first aid prescribing, you can find out about our acute care program, which is called the Introduction to Homeopathy online program. It's 40 hours in length and it's online. And you can find out more information about that at acutecare@amchof.org. We also offer a variety of self-help programs which are 4 to 6 hours in length. And these are about the homeopathic treatment of various specific conditions. And you can learn more about these at www.selfhelphomeopathy.com. Our web address is www.amchof.org. Thank you very much.